Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I want to show you some door closer speeds. Here's the first speed I'm going to show you. How much if you like it. It's very smooth. As you can see, it closes smoothly.
Lock it in. The best music ever made. Cool 92.5.
Here's the second speed. Second speed. You like this speed? Or maybe you want more prefer this speed. Maybe you prefer this speed. Alright, here's one more speed I want to show you. Now, do you like this speed? Do it one more time. You know what? For fun, I'll let you see it one more time. So you can comment on this video on which speed you like, so that'll be it.